Let's learn how to analyze data using different types of patterns, lines, graphs, charts, etc. using these examples. First, I will show a quick analysis for this table. I can click and drag to select the cells with the numbers on the right, and then I am having this quick analysis button at lower right corner. Click on the button. You can see different types of tools to present spot patterns or trends for the selected data. Let's click on data bars. You can see special data bars to visualize the amounts in respective cells. To get rid of the bars, select all data again, click on Quick Analysis button, click on Clear Format. There's a shortcut to get this Quick Analysis button. Simply click any of the cells, press Ctrl+Q. The button has appeared. Now let's create a different chart to visualize the data. Click on Charts. Click on Clustered Column. You can see a chart representing the data. You can simply take cursor on the chart and click and drag to move the chart anywhere you want, and you can see each product has 3 columns for each month of sales. Let's create sparklines for each to visualize the trend. Again, click anywhere on the data, press Ctrl+Q, click on Quick Analysis button, click on Sparklines, click on Line. You can see sparklines have been added for each row to show whether the amounts go up or down. To clear the sparklines, click and drag to select them. You can see the Sparkline tab above, under which click on Clear. Now we can also add different types of charts for data from Insert tab as well. Just click on anywhere in the data, click on Insert. You can see different types of charts are available here as well. For example, bar chart, pie chart, line chart, etc. Let's click on Recommend Charts. Different options are available here also. Let's click on the second option, which is Clustered Columns. Click on OK. Click and drag the chart to move it. It's showing total number of conference attendees per year. Now I can add a trend line. Select the chart under Chart Design tab. Click on Add Chart Element. You can see different options available here for data representation. I will click on Trend Line, then click on Simply Linear. It has added a trend line showing general direction of the sold units over time. I can also click on Add Chart Element again and click on Data Table. Click on With Legend Keys, which shows us the data table directly under the chart. For last one, let's create Combo Chart. Click anywhere on the data, click on Insert, click on Recommend Charts, click on All Charts, click on Combo at the bottom on the right, click on Secondary Axis checkbox for food sales and click on OK. It's showing a combo chart where we can see a secondary axis has been added for food sales, showing the trending line in gray color.